coffee pot bubbling 6:15. Your messy hair in that old t-shirt, buttered toast, crumbs on the counter. And I can't stop smiling watching you dancing barefoot on cold tiles. Every little thing you do makes the sunrise brighter. Never knew that ordinary mornings could feel this way. Simple moments with you turn into something brave. Newspaper pages scattered wide, the way you read the funny parts out loud. Half-finished crossword puzzles wait while your coffee gets too cold again, and I memorize your smile. Every quiet breath we share feels like morning prayer. Never knew that ordinary mornings could feel this way. Simple moments with you turn into something brave. Ooh, morning light. Ooh, morning light. Used to think love meant fireworks, grand gestures and perfect words, but here in our small kitchen, with your hand in